In this video, I'll show you how to remove the large bumper ends and replace it with bumper caps on a Jeep Wrangler. So there are 4 mounting screws on the end bumper cap, and it's a T27, so it's a star socket. I'm going to take the top 2 ones off with a T27 socket. And then there's 2 on the bottom. And the 2 down here. Then you're just going to grab the end and you're going to pull it out towards the side, just like that. So you're going to want to get yourself what we call speed clips, and if you're using the original hardware screws, they're going to be a 6 mil, so 6mm speed clips. You're just going to slide it right over and let it clip like that, and it's adjustable for different sizes. Do the same on the back, bottom side. So now we can take that, slide it right over that combination like that. Take your set screw, line it up, start it by hand. And we'll get one for the bottom and do the same. Now on the bottom, you're going to find the same spot, get that set screw in there, start it by hand, get your T27, snug it up. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.